Welcome to today's video, guys. The first ride on my CRF450R Supermoto build, and we are accompanied by another. This is a 2014 and this is a 2013. Which one do you prefer, guys? The black and gold or the black and red and white? Comment below any extra parts you want to see me add to the build series. Yeah, coming up, I want graphics, I want exhaust, obviously. I need new bars, I need black bars. I want all the black, the silver bits to be black. Oh my god, I can't believe this moment is actually here. I've been like dreaming of this moment for the past 2 months. Let's go ride. Oh my god! Wow, there's no better first ride experience I could have had than this. Oh my god, I think I'm Honda for life. Honda's given me a great first experience to a motocross bike. Feels so nice and smooth, I can't fucking believe it. Yo! And we got a promote, obviously. Yeah! Alright, this is a good day. It's nice. I'm on like what I've been waiting for ages. Kind of a dream bike as well that I've always imagined building my own Supermoto. I never knew where to start. And then on to my left, and there's one right there. Oh, that's vibes! That is vibes! He's been practicing, guys. He's been practicing a foot brake. Those who haven't seen, roll the clip. Yo! That's what happened last time. Oh, I ate so much just before I come out. It wasn't even too much, but I ate it all so fast. Also rocking the Brap Life Supermoto hoodies as well. Go check them out on my website, www.braplife.co.uk. Fed check. He's got one! Alright, he's killing it. I'm not going that fast round. Oh, it's so nice to go around a bend without feeling like I'm going to die. Completely transformed the bike. It's changed it. Look wise, obviously. Ride wise, obviously. It's so smooth. I feel safe. I feel like I belong on the roads now. It's been so long since I've been here. So long. Shit, man! It's so smooth! You can go that way on a little Explore.
It's terrible, by the way.
Huh?
It's shit on these wheels.
Is it? Is it? Oh, I thought it'd be very good.
That's what I said to you.
Oh, I went. I thought I was sending you on like the best ride. I was like, go that, you won't regret it. You'll thank me when you get home.
I cut back up. I got to about the road down there, and I think I cut back up and went down the back roads back to Oldby.
Plans next, I've got to get the bike MOT'd. Obviously, I've said about graphics kits and exhaust and etc. But the bike has to be MOT'd, so that's probably going to be episode 4 of the build series, is getting the bike MOT'd and getting it road legal. So guys, if you're UK or anywhere else and you wonder how we get the bikes road legal, the dirt bikes, then yeah, just follow along, because I'll be going through that process. Hopefully have it road legal by hopefully in the next 3-4 weeks. How was that? Bit choppy, isn't it? Yeah. Should I have this race then? Yeah. To the line. There he is, my arch nemesis. Has he got to be behind the line or on the line? Start your engines. Start my engine. His engine started. Come on. Ooh. How are we doing the countdown? Down. Use your horn. When the phone hits 1 minute, we go. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds in. Start your engines. Guys, who do you think's gonna win? He's got more, I think more road bike gearing. I've got more backflip gearing. Goggles on, the showdown. He's sitting a bit far back on his bike. I'm not gonna show him how far forwards I'm gonna move on my bike before I pull off. Oh, it's getting close, it's getting close. I haven't ridden in ages. I forgot how to ride the bike. Oh my god! Oh shit, look at us stall squad. If you do that, try it on the way back.
The gear shift up as
I
well.
fucked it.
You fucked your gear shift up. I had a shit start, but I think I only pulled you back because your fucking gear shift.
Get right over the get right over like this. And have your foot under the shifter. Have your foot under the shifter so you can bang it straight up. Much better. Yeah, I won't be doing it on new tyres. I will be doing that though. And there we have it, guys. The first ride. Thanks for watching. Head over to braplife.co.uk. You can get yourself a new Brap Life hoodie, new in Supermoto hoodie, Supermoto down the back, Born to Brap on the side. We've got the Supermoto bags to match. Also got the Brap Life snapbacks, Born to Brap embroidery on the side. You know what it is. I've got 3 new samples coming in this Wednesday as well. So in the next few days, I should have 3 new samples. That's the end of the video. Smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new with bell notifications on. See you next video.